guys, so in this video, I will be showing you a little bit about myself, and it's a loud family right now. Yeah, so I'm going to introduce myself, and I know this is going to sound crazy, but it's actually very loud in here. That's Kate and Emma. And yeah, I'm making a new video. There's Josie. Yes, I had to make a new video because I was too quiet over this noise. So, my phone's on 5%. So my name is Kylie, and my channel name is Kylie Perez Vlogs. And so, I'm just going to tell you, I'm 13 years old. And basically my life is fighting, laughter, and family, and church, and fashion, and makeup. Mostly all like the teenagers' dream will be. But except the drama, which you would probably see in some of my videos. But this is my first vlog video, so I just told you a little bit about myself. If I get to 50, like in another video, if I get to 50 subscribers, then I will do a little haul. And I might do a giveaway too. So it depends. If you want to do a giveaway and try to win something, I'm not telling you what it is yet, because I know what it is. I'm just not telling you yet. But yeah. So yeah. So yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
I'm just at a regular place right now. I don't know what to do. Okay, so this was not a normal vlog video. It was just a little bit about what the channel will be about. And like Marley, yeah, he's down there. And then yeah, so the channel is just gonna be vlogs. I might do different stuff. I might be a beauty guru. Well, that's one dream YouTube thing I want to do. So yeah, peace out, guys.